Hi and good evening. My name is Alifa Iliana and I will be presenting about data exploration for Parkinson telemetry dataset. In this section, I will explain in detail what is data exploration and how it works before the model predicting the target variable. First of all, we need to know the definition of the data exploration. Data exploration can be defined as the process of analyzing, visualizing, and understanding a dataset to uncover patterns, trends, and relationship of variables. So, how the data exploration works? First of all, we need the dataset. Dataset can be collected from various sources, which are surveys, questionnaire, experiment, or open data platform, and any academic research. From our project, the dataset is collected from the UCL Machine Learning repository. In this stage, we call as data collection. So next is data treatment, also known as data pre-processing. When we have the raw data, the dataset need to be processed, which is need to undergo several treatments in order to prevent error or wrong prediction in predicting target variable. Some common steps to perform pre-processing is identify the missing value, handling outliers, duplicates, transform the variable, and handling the imbalance. In our dataset, we found no missing value and duplicate from each variable, but we perform normalization of variables using min-maximum method. The scaling method is used to ensure all the dataset in each variable having same scale, which make easy for model to interpret. The third one is data distribution. From data distribution, we can understand how each data from the variable is distributed. From the shape of distribution, it can help to analyze whether the data is uniformly distributed or not. Shape of distribution can be skewness and symmetry. For example, in our dataset, I take Moto UPDRS to observe the distribution. The Moto distribution, I can identify which is highly distributed. Also, the info on distribution can be obtained using statistical summary that we use in our programming. Statistical summary will show all the measure of center tendency and dispersion for each variable. Okay, the fourth one is data visualization. Data visualization is help to visualize the data to be interpreted easier compared to the length of the information. Many types of data visualization, which are bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, histogram, box plot, heat map. In our project, mostly we use scatter plot and histogram to compare two variables. For example, scatter plot versus for each versus Moto UPDRS. From scatter plot, we can identify patients that having higher score at the age between 50 to 70 years. The last one is correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is used to measure and assess the relationship between two or more variables. In this context, we use correlation analysis to select the relevant features by setting the threshold 0.1. Those who have 0.1 correlation between the target variable will be selected to use for predicting the model.